Fed up with slow progress in English? Picture yourself speaking with confidence, fluency, and ease sooner than you think. Today I've got something special for you. Whether you're just starting out or still finding it difficult, these 10 simple tips will transform the way you learn English forever. They're quick, enjoyable, and most importantly, they actually work. So, grab a pen, tune in, and let's unlock the English speaker within you. Ready? Let's get going. Do you want to learn English faster? Do you want to speak with confidence? Today, I want to help you improve. I've put together 10 practical tips. They're straightforward, easy to follow, and perfect for beginners. Stick with me. You'll find them very useful. Let's learn together. Tip number 1. Forget perfection. Perfection simply doesn't exist. What matters is being understood, not being flawless. Everyone makes mistakes, even in their own language. Mistakes aren't failures, they're chances to improve. Think about people who speak Spanish, Italian, French, or Chinese. They make mistakes too. If your aim is to communicate in English, don't obsess over perfection. Even native speakers slip up. Focus on getting your message across. For example, if you say, "I go to the shop yesterday," it's not correct, but people will still know what you mean. Later, you'll learn that the proper form is went. But never let mistakes hold you back. They help you remember, and next time, you'll get it right. Mistakes are part of the journey. So relax, speak freely, and don't let fear silence you. Your goal is communication. Keep practicing, and you'll get better day by day. Tip number 2. Try shadowing. This is both fun and effective. Shadowing means listening to a speaker and repeating what they say immediately afterwards, like their shadow. Start with a short audio or video, a clip, a podcast, even a song. Listen closely, then copy their words, rhythm, and pronunciation. You can pause after each line or speak along as they talk. This sharpens your listening and pronunciation at once. It trains your mouth and ears to work together and helps you get used to the natural rhythm of English. Begin with short, simple clips, then move on to longer and more challenging ones. A few minutes every day will make a noticeable difference. Tip number 3. Create stories with new words. Whenever you learn fresh vocabulary, weave it into a little story. For instance, if you've learned the words cat, happy, and play, you might say, "Once upon a time there was a happy cat. It loved playing with a red ball in the garden." By doing this, you learn how to use words naturally, and they stick in your memory. You can jot your stories down or tell them aloud to a friend. The key is to use the words often. Short or long, stories make learning engaging and memorable. Tip 4. Relax. When you're relaxed, your brain works better. Nervousness makes clear thinking harder. Calmness helps words flow more smoothly. Before speaking, breathe deeply to steady yourself. Remind yourself that mistakes are fine. They're part of learning. Practice with people you trust so you feel comfortable. Speak slowly and clearly. Better to be understood than to rush. And most of all, enjoy the process. Learning a new language is an exciting journey. Embrace it. Tip number 5. Join conversation groups. Speaking with others is one of the best ways to improve. Find friends who are also learning and agree to speak only English when you meet. Decide on a regular time, whether in person or online. Talk about topics you enjoy, films, books, hobbies, so it feels fun and natural. Be patient and supportive with one another. Mistakes are fine. The point is to practice listening and speaking together. Tip number 6. Role-play real situations. Practice by acting out everyday scenarios. Find a partner, then choose a scene, ordering food, booking a hotel, asking for directions. Swap roles so you try both sides of the conversation. Role-play prepares you for real-life encounters, expands your vocabulary, and helps you respond more quickly and naturally. Tip number 7. Paraphrase. This technique boosts both understanding and speaking skills. Read a short article or listen to a clip, then explain it in your own words without looking back. For example, if you read about a dog saving a child, you might say, "I read about a brave dog that rescued a child in danger." If you can rephrase it, you've truly understood. This also helps you practice organizing your thoughts and using varied words to express the same idea. Tip number 8. Practice expanding sentences. Start small, then add details. For example, I have a cat. I have a small black cat. I have a small black cat that loves playing with a red ball. This technique makes your speech richer and more descriptive. Write your sentences down to track your progress. The more you practice, the more naturally you'll add detail in conversation. Tip number 9. Be confident. Confidence is as important as practice. Don't let fear of mistakes silence you. Everyone makes them, even native speakers. The vital thing is communication. People will understand you, even if your grammar isn't perfect. Practice often and your confidence will grow. Focus on what you can do and celebrate your progress, however small. Don't compare yourself with others. Everyone learns at their own pace. Use positive affirmations. Tell yourself you're improving. Confidence comes from experience, so keep speaking. Tip number 10. Switch roles. This exercise sharpens flexibility in conversation. Take turns asking and answering questions. For example, one person might ask, "What's your favorite food?" And the other replies, "Pizza. I love it because it's delicious and there are so many varieties." Then swap roles. Role switching trains you to think on your feet and keep conversations flowing. It's interactive, enjoyable, and excellent practice. And finally, remember that learning English takes time and effort, but you absolutely can do it. Many people succeed without a teacher. With patience, practice, and these techniques, you'll find yourself improving more quickly than you imagined.